In this video, I'm going to show you how to use speech to text on fish.audio. Now, fish.audio has a really cool feature where you're able to upload a audio sample and then it is actually going to turn it into text. So what you want to do is you want to head over to fish.audio and make sure to log into your account if you haven't already. You're able to create one from scratch and you can make one using a pre-existing Gmail. Then you want to go to the left menu, select over here to where it says speech to text. And now you're able to select on this button that says create task. All right, and then what you're able to do is you're able to upload a audio file right over here. And then you want to type in the amount of speakers. So let's put 1. And then it's going to let you know the amount of estimated credits that it is going to require. So again, that is another metric to keep in mind. But then you just want to press on create task once you're done with that. And then it is going to begin doing the process right over here. It's going to analyze the actual audio itself. And of course, depending on how many speakers it has, this could actually take up to longer as well, depending on the length of it. So you just want to be patient and wait for it to actually finish transcribing the audio. Okay, so now to finish, and then as you're able to tell, it did actually transcribe that audio file and we should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.